Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you the KOC4 cost analysis report, and we have used VBA to automate the process, which can be spread over multiple years, and it takes this T code to the SAP directly and execute the report each time 1 year, and then it compiles a comparative report in which you have year-to-year comparable figures ready with you, and you can do your analytics. And we have further made double click event we have created on it, right? So when you double click on it, for example, this, then you can get uh, say 1081, then you get 1081 with all its material detail, and it is tallying with the figure here, 60,728. It tallies with what you have here, 60,728, right? So this is taking from the material ledger and directly from SAP. The drill down data is made available in the material sheet, right? And which can be used for material explosion analytics and etc. Right. So let's see what is the code we have done here to accomplish all these. What we do here is that in a compare this one, we have this code, very short code. It only checks if the T code is KOC4 and you are in the anything row more than 5, and the B column is not empty, yeah, and this B of this row is not empty, then it will start doing its job, right? So we are talking about the compared sheet right here. So B has the B column is actually the production order number. Okay. So so this is how we are doing. So let's do one thing here. We have already done 1081. Let's proceed to the next one. As soon as you double click on it, it starts doing its job. Yeah. Now it is taking it your T code to the SAP, and it's being executed. And you can see in the end what it has brought, right? It is now bringing the material details and drill down details of all these of the desired production order, and it tabulates it in the material sheet, and then it will proceed to the next production order. So this way it will keep on running. So we have put a breakpoint for you so that you can see what happens. So before going to the next line, we have put a breakpoint so that you can see that 1082 will now be replaced with 1083, and 1082 materials are already there. Yeah, 1082 of materials. It's all the materials are already there with all its quantities and the values, right? Now, then Now it is ready to execute the next thing. So we click, uh, we run this macro and see what does it do. It jumps to the next row. Yeah, next row 1083. Now it is doing its job for getting the data material detail of the production order, and that will be shown in a tabulated form in the material sheet. So that's what it has bring, and now it will stop again before proceeding to the next level. So as soon as you, if you remove this breakpoint, it will keep on doing until you have a blank row. So this is the procedure uh, to automate all this process. With a click of button, it will go through and bring everything so that you can do the deep diving into the material exposure report, right? So now it has completed the its job for 1093, and you can see 1083. 1083 is ready here now, and you can see that 1083 materials are also here. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, materials 1083 for materials for 1083 are here, mm, with all the quantities and the valuation, right? You can increase the, yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is doing its job, and we can remove the breakpoint anytime when we want it to do it unattentively. So we do, if unattended mode is that you can remove this since it is doing its job good. You don't need any error trapping or anything. So all you need to do is press F9 here to remove. Actually, this F9 is the uh, toggle button to put a breakpoint or to remove a breakpoint from the code, right? So as soon as we run it without the breakpoint, then it will keep on running, and you can keep on watching, or you go and do some other job. When you will get back, and you will see that it has done all the job unattendedly. Okay. So let's remove the breakpoint in here, and we save it. Okay. And we run it. So it will keep on running without any human interference. Okay. So now it is proceeding to 1084, and that would be followed by 1085 and so on. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.